Sairam children, welcome back to the session, part 4, lesson number 10, soils of India. So children, today we are going to continue with the lesson. So before moving ahead, let's quickly recall what we had learned in the previous class. So in the previous class, we have learned laterite soil, desert soil, and mountain soil, isn't it? Laterite soil. So children, where it is found? Yes, this type of soil is found in the Western Ghats and parts of Tamil Nadu. And it is good for crops such as tea, coffee, spices, coconut and rubber. Desert soil. Now tell me where it is found. Yes, it is mainly found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. So desert soil contains mainly, yes, sand. It is therefore not fertile because it cannot hold much water, so it is not fertile. Okay. Next is mountain soil. Where it is found? Yes, mountain soil is found in the Himalayan regions and northeastern parts of India. And this soil is very rich in humus. This is very fertile soil. Okay. And this soil is very good for growing fruits such as apple, pear, peach and plum. Okay. Children, today we are going to learn about soil erosion. So children, you all know what is soil. Yes, what is soil? Soil is the top layer of the earth's surface. And you also know that a variety of organisms live in soil. Yes, such as earthworms and insects. And many animals also live in soil. So, without soil, there would be no trees, no crops, no plants, no grass, and no food for us and animals. So, soil is very important, isn't it? But what is soil erosion? Yes, the process in which the top layer of the soil is lost. Okay. So, sometimes the fertile top layer of the soil is carried away by wind and water to a different place. This is called soil erosion. And this makes the land infertile. Is it clear, children? Soil erosion. Sometimes the fertile top layer of the soil is carried away by wind and water is called soil erosion. So why it is carried away by wind and water? Because the top layer of the soil is very light, and when the land is not covered by grass or plants, it is easily carried away by wind and water. So what do the plants do? Yes, the roots of plants, they hold the soil together and prevent soil erosion. Yes, the roots of the plants, what they do? They hold the soil together and they prevent soil erosion. Is it clear, children? What are the causes of soil erosion? Yes, we'll see now. First is deforestation. So children, what is deforestation? Yes, cutting down trees. So we cut trees for fuel and to build farms, cities and roads. So this is called deforestation. Deforestation causes an increase in soil erosion. Is that clear, children? Deforestation increases soil erosion. Okay. So children, now we'll see methods of preventing soil erosion. Afforestation. What is afforestation? Yes? Very good. Planting trees. Planting trees or afforestation is the most important method of preventing soil erosion. Okay. Covering bare farmland with grass or dried vegetation. Just look at the picture, children. See, the bare farmland is covered with grass or dried vegetation. So, they hold the soil together, thus preventing soil erosion. Okay. Terrace farming in hills. And building embankment. So what is embankment? Embankment is a wall or a bank of earth or stone built. It is built to prevent a flooding in an area. Just see the embankment here. Okay. Is that clear, children? Children, did you know farmers also grow crops on hillsides? They do so by cutting steps in the hills. This is known as terrace or step farming. Just now I discussed terrace farming, isn't it? Just look at the picture. Is it clear, children? So children, with this the chapter comes to an end. Okay. Children, now let's take a small recap of what we have learned so far. Okay. First, soil is an important natural resource. Second, the main 6 types of soil found in India. Yes, what are they? They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, desert soil and mountain soil. Next is the different soils are good for growing different crops. Soil erosion by wind and water can be prevented by afforestation. Okay. Now words to remember. Children, you have to remember these words. This is given in the textbook. Okay, you can refer. First is humus. Humus is remains of dead plants and animals that rot and mix with the soil. making it fertile. Erosion. Erosion of soil. Carrying away of soil by wind or water to a different place. Afforestation, planting trees. Okay. So children, now we'll do objectives. Say true or false. First, soil is made by breaking up of rocks. Option A true, option B false. So children, what is the correct option? Just think. Yes, true. Next is mountain soil is not fertile. True or false? Yes? Very good. False. Next is multiple choice questions. The soil that is formed from lava is, options are alluvial soil, red soil, laterite soil, black soil. So children, just think, just recall what you have learned. What is the correct option? Yes, black soil. Very good. Next is, which of these soil is naturally rich in humus? Options are alluvial soil, desert soil, mountain soil, black soil. Just think children. Yes? Very good. Mountain soil. Very good. So children, with this, the chapter comes to an end. So, we'll meet you in the next class. Until then, bye. Thank you.